Kakong Ampareen lingdo ka badai ka menteri ke jella kalalit Thep Kyrteng kum ka Kyrtong ban Iakhun ya ka election lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat hakmat returning officer ka East Castles menta kasngi jong ka arpu artari ubnai leber arhajar arpu sau. Ya kakong Ampareen la senran da National General Secretary ke NPP uba snyau bhalang dhar bat President ke NPP Megalia uba Preston Tensong ki badairu ki sembut menteri rangba ke jella lembat ki hajar ngut ki nong Krisyan. Kakong Ampareen kelaya thu bakala pendap ega jingai lenti jongka habaro laipun riutli ki Assembly Constituency kalayat palat 6 kilometer ha kini ki lai benai Kyrteng beladap henin kala pendap ega benta bakhaddu jongka constituency jongka ka pentip bakindon shibun ki jingkmi lenti henrei kumba ki ong ni wan hangne ban syakri ki paitba batkan persyangkat ka bakala ban syakri ka babahatam ha ka bor jongka. Kadon bok palat bakadon ka kinhun NPP barok ka wei halendat jongka kaya thu ka Dr. Ampareen haba ai jingero bat ai khublei ki patba ban ai ka babahatam ban yo jingjob da ka basngau bah vote ya ka kum ka Kyrtong ka babiang na ka thup ki Kyrtong ka bakidon bat ka kermen ba nakane kan sarung sya ka wei pat ka lenong jongka kam san hima sima ha ka jingim ka jongka. Kakong Ampareen kalaong bakadon ka jingkermen bangin yo ega jingjob ha kasien ka baningkong. Haba kentat ban keren AA persya ya ki weipat ki political party kani ka menteri sorkar kalaong nga wan hangne om ban ya tainia ya ka Iakhun persya nga Iakhun ya ka election na ka benta ka NPP ngan om keren syapang ki nong Iakhun persya lani ngan nyau ya lade kum ka nong ya le persya ngan trei la ka jong ka kam ngan jam syakmat ban keren tang halor ka jinglong Kyrtong ka NPP ngan om ya keren ya ka han ki ba benthiu yang i ki mat benthiu kam don jingper henrei ngahi ngan trei la ka kam ngan ai la ka jong ka jing terwa hakmat upat ba bat kane kala biang yanga.
In our political careers, we have seen that there are no permanent positions both in parties nor in positions in the legislature or in the executive. I believe that having worked with few political parties who are fielding, if not directly themselves as candidates, but at least I have worked with them. I know the pulse, I know the mind, I know the modus operandi. I am familiar with their terms and their support. And because we come from a very close-knit support system, I feel I will be advantaged in this service that I will give to the people and the fight that I will place for myself in the elections. I'm familiar with their terms and I will use that to my advantage.
Ma'am, do you agree that anti-incumbency is quite high against the NPP, and will this be a factor that will work against the NPP in this?
I think you need to put that in perspective. There is no anti-incumbency for the NPP as far as MP is concerned. You need to ask the anti-incumbency question to the concerned person who has been MP for I don't know how many terms. However, we as a political party are now way ahead in our service to the people. People of one Shillong parliamentary seat are familiar with governmental plans, proposals. We have a very specific blueprint that will take Meghalaya forward. And I reiterate, we have no incumbency in the MP elections. This is the first time that we are candidates in this election by ourselves. We hope that this will give us a clean sheet in the first instance. You come back for incumbencies after 5 years and then we'll talk to you about the good things that we have done.
In that case, who do you consider as your main rival?
I am not here to debate about rivalry.
No, I mean, this is election, so that's not.
Let Let us put this again in the correct perspective. I am contesting this election on behalf of the NPP, the National People's Party. I will not talk about my rivals, nor will I consider them in a rivalry position. I will do my own thing. I will go forward and talk about the NPP's candidature and my own candidature. I will not discuss who's pitted against us. It doesn't really matter. I do my own thing. I give my own proposal before the people in my candidature, and to me, that is sufficient.
Well, ma'am,
Is already out. We have already launched the main schemes of the NPP way ahead of the announcement of elections in the state of Meghalaya. In case there is requirement, we will share this document again with you. Please refer to the document that was launched at the time when the Honorable Chief Minister launched the CM Elevate project. And the project and our manifesto clearly indicates few sectors which we will be focusing our attention on, and we have said that we will also be bringing out appeals to the people in various languages. Yeah, let me speak in Khasi, please.